First of all, fix both sides of the forming machine with screws. The sequence of screws, nuts and washers is shown in the photo. Then assemble the chain. The chain has these parts as shown in the photo. Assemble the chain to the forming machine according to the assembly sequence in the video. Open the cover on the top of the hydraulic station and fill in hydraulic oil. It is recommended to use number 32 or number 46 anti-wear hydraulic oil. There is a ruler on the side of the hydraulic station. When the hydraulic oil reaches the middle position of the ruler, stop the injection. Plug all the aviation plugs into the sockets according to the 1x1 numbers in the photo. As shown in the video part below, handle all the cables connected to the main power supply of the factory with their head and tail connectors. Use 16 square millimeter line as power line. The connectors at one end of the control cabinet 60 a copper connector is used for 16 square millimeter cable.